Under these weathered oaks, you'll find a rich Cajun tradition that sprawled across our lands, runs through our bayous, and beats heavy in our hearts. The natural beauty and our unique history is what drew author James Lee Burke to set his 21-plus book series right in the heart of South Louisiana. Welcome to New Iberia and the Books Along the Teche Literary Festival. Fans, historians, travelers, and authors alike join in this weekend celebration of the sights, sounds, and tastes that make up our southern mystique. Join the Iberia Preservation Alliance and the New Iberia Main Street program as they present the annual Books Along the Teche Literary Festival. Dive into the Cajun culture with a live hands-on cooking demonstration, where you will experience the decadent taste of Cajun cuisine, or join in a guided bus tour where you'll see the secluded settings featured in many literary works set in the area, including the famous detective Dave Robichaux, and dine at Victor's, a local favorite in the heart of downtown. Experience Southern hospitality at the National Trust Historic Site, the antebellum plantation home known as the Shadows on the Teche. This cocktail party features live jazz music, a second-line parade, and the Cajun tradition of cochon de lait. As the sun rises through the morning mists of the Bayou Teche, the shadows of live oak trees grow tall onto award-winning Main Street, New Iberia. Historic Main Street is described by James Lee Burke as the most beautiful in the country. It's here where the morning festivities begin, with the Sir Speedy 5K run. Join in roundtable discussions with local and national authors, or settle in for the storytelling workshops, where authors offer book signings and readings of their work. The University of Louisiana Lafayette Academic Symposium on Saturday morning offers presentations by noted James Lee Burke authorities with spirited presentations and lively discussions of the famed detective Dave Robichaux. The S&E Theater features live performance art from selected novels by great Southern writers, and the literary fair spans the sidewalks of Main Street. Learn the secrets to playing bourée from local masters, or sit back for a complimentary film screening of one of the many movies set in the area. With offerings for the entire family, the youth art exhibit and young authors workshops fill the galleries with the colors, creativity, and imagination of aspiring artists. These events serve as a platform for young artists to showcase their work of both the artistic and literary mediums. Get it. Experience the authentic taste of Cajun dishes from local chefs in the food festival, and explore original creations in the Authors, Artisans, and Aromas Fair. Celebrate the day and share with new friends the sights and sounds that make New Iberia and the Bayou Teche unique. Dance into the night as the bands continue to play through our Cajun dance lessons and traditional food.The at the Steamboat Warehouse. Spend Sunday in City Park, an oak tree-filled space with romantic Bayou Teche and sprawling lawns. Take a guided boat tour along Bayou Teche from the launch in City Park and see historic downtown from a new perspective. Upon your return, you can meander through oak tree-lined walking paths enjoy a picnic lunch in the shade, and finish the day with Symphony Sunday in the Park as we wrap up the festivities with a family-friendly outdoor concert featuring the Acadiana Symphony Orchestra. Picnic under the oaks and bathe in music that brings us back to a simpler time. As the bayou winds throughout this land, the inspiration for artists and writers is carried within it, flowing through and bridging a culture so rich in history, personality, and hospitality. So whether you're a world traveler, avid reader, aspiring author, or James Lee Burke fan, start a new chapter by joining us for the Books Along the Teche Literary Festival. It's sure to please anyone looking to experience the mystique of New Iberia and South Louisiana.